Hey, welcome to Ward Wrenching. Today we're going to detail the Cobra. We're going to add a ceramic coat to it. Now, I do this a little bit differently than I would do like a sedan or an SUV, just a standard daily driver. Because we have the open cockpit, we can't use the pressure washer and the foam cannon because obviously it would all get inside of the vehicle. So there's actually this product I really like to use for this. I've used it on the Jeep because the Jeep's also, it's all open, no doors, no top anymore. Now it's not a daily driver. It's called AMMO Frothe. Now, if any of you guys in the detail realm, I'm not a professional detailer. I'm just a guy that likes to work on my cars and like to keep them looking kind of clean. Frothe is a hoseless wash. Basically, you buy it, it comes with this container here, pump it up. Real simple, put 40 ounces of water, there's a line, 2 capfuls of the Frothe, so a lot goes a long way. Pump it up until max pressure and whatnot. And then you just spray it on, let it sit for like 30 seconds or whatever, and then use your microfiber towel to mop it up. And then just, you're gonna go through a lot more towels because you're not rinsing them. I really like the quality of it and everything. So we're gonna get the car washed down. It's finally out of the garage, fixed up and everything. It's actually drivable. So once we get it cleaned, we're going to add a ceramic coat. We're gonna use the AMMO Reflex Pro enamel coat. I really like that. I find that AMMO makes some of the best products. I've used Chemical Guys and Meguiar's and they're good. AMMO just is what I like. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's a good product. It is more expensive, but it works for me. This is kind of how I'm going to wash the car. Like I said, I'm not a professional detailer. I'm not trying to be a professional detailer. Just a guy that likes to work on his cars, and I want to kind of give back by showing you guys how I do it. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two. Now, once you have it pumped up to your desired amount, we're just gonna start spraying. So I'm gonna use this first half on the passenger side. So we're gonna use this red line as our divider. I'm just gonna spray a liberal amount on, and then we'll let it sit. So now we've sprayed down this side of the hood. It's not gonna foam up like a foam cannon would under a pressurized system like a pressure washer. Now, AMMO does sell a like a pro version of the Frothe canister that hooks up to your air compressor. I don't really do it enough to justify the price, so I find that this works just fine. It's been soaking, so now we'll just start wiping it off. And you want to just fold your towel in 4s, and it just comes right off. Now make sure you keep an eye on your towel. You want to look for any type of debris or anything like that. And just go in straight lines. Once that side is dirty, just flip it. And like I said, I'm not a professional, I'm not trying to be. This is just how I do it. This is what I've learned from people on YouTube, and that's what this channel is all about, is giving back as a way of saying thanks to all those people that have taught me what I know along the way. That's okay if it's not perfect. You're probably going to come and spray over it again, and that's okay. So now we'll fold it in. We'll grab this side. You want to just go in straight lines, long sweeping motions. We're using that red line as our divider. Fold the towel. Go to a clean side. Now today I'm washing it. I'm not trying to do a detail for like a car show or anything like that. This is just clean it up because it's been sitting in the garage for so long that it really needs to be cleaned. And you can even see, this like haziness, dirt, everything on the driver's side, and it's a lot shinier on the right side. So make sure your canister's pumped. It depressurizes quickly, so you got to keep pumping it up as you spray. And give it a good shake. After you've done a line, go pump it again. It's a really good hoseless wash. Like, I would prefer to do the full pressure washer, foam cannon, suds system, but sometimes it's just not possible. And we'll get the top of the hood again one more time. See, you can see that pressure's dying down, so we need to pump it back up. And I'm probably using too much product. A little does go a long way. So now that you've seen kind of how I spray it, wipe it down and everything, we're just going to time lapse it. We'll go back to you when it is ready for the ceramic coat. Now that the car has been cleaned, we're going to apply the AMMO Reflex Pro ceramic coat. This is really simple. You just need to use a applicator pad block thing. Key thing, throw it out once you're done, because this is like a glass, and when it hardens, you'll scratch up your car with the next round, so they're cheap. Just throw it out. So all you need to do is just unscrew your cap, set it where you won't lose it, and then just throw it onto the applicator. Just kind of get yourself a little line going. And then I'll start here, I'll work my way down, and then I'll start at the windshield and work my way back. And you just apply it in back and forth motions in a little like 2 foot by 2 foot square. And then once you've applied it, you're gonna let it rainbow over. It'll actually look like rainbow streaks. And then you will wipe it off with your microfiber towel. I use a little bit of the AMMO UV spit to help kind of break it up and clean it off, and also adds a layer of wax protection as well on top of the ceramic.